Hello once again. Are you guys ready for more COD and Postgres? Because you better be, because that's what you're getting. So, tuning from yesterday, I was able to kind of figure out a bit more about how the PG library works, and I was able to get logging going on it, so I was able to kind of see more accurately what was going on with my queries. And I was able to get some data inserted into the Postgres database for the viewership table, and I'll show you that. And there's some things that are still left undone, such as optimizations around inserting and properly formatting the workers so that they run on like an hourly basis instead of like a one-off run and then quit the program, which is not what it's meant to do. It's meant to continuously live for as long as it can until I tell it to stop. So that's what's left for today. So if you're only interested in the Golang stuff, the programming stuff, again, as always, timestamps in the description. You can go ahead and click on that and skip right to the programming aspect of this. But if you care any at all about my gameplay stuff or more of my just casual entertainment, then I'm going to be playing some COD again today for the beginning half before I switch over. So let me go ahead and transition the scene. And what do I want to do? Do I want to shoot the ship, or do I want to play headquarters? Let's do shoot the ship. Why not? Warm up on shoot the ship and then play like a match or two of headquarters. Doesn't seem like a bad idea. Oh, oops, hit the fucking table. I bought some flaming hot crunchy Cheetos today for the first time. I never had them before, but I've always heard like how good they were, how amazing they were, and like how a lot of people like craved them. And so I was kind of curious to see like, oh wow, these must be like really great Cheetos or something. Like, 'cause I've had the regular Cheetos, they're good, they're fine, they're a nice snack. So when I was at CVS today, I saw that, I was like, why not? I'll pick up a bag and try them out, see what the hype is about. And so brought them home, tried them, and long story short, they're nothing special. Honestly, they're tasty, I guess you could say. Like, they're okay. I wouldn't say they're anything amazing though. Like, they're hot for sure. They're definitely hot. I could tell that much. But like, they had no flavor behind them. Like, they were just bland. They're just hot pieces of well, what would it be? Hot pieces of cereal, I guess, because it's kind of got that cereal texture, that dry cereal. Oh. Hopefully that's not a controversial take. Hopefully I didn't like offend somebody's fucking heritage with that. But honestly, they're okay. Get fucked. Oh, god damn it. That didn't work well. So after today, all of the back-end programming stuff will be complete. Well, maybe not complete, but in a state where anything left that needs to happen or change can be done kind of on its own. Whatever. God, fuck, I hate utility nades. Can be done on its own on my spare time, and I can then start running this for the month of May, so it'll start collecting data, and then come June, beginning of June, is when I plan to go live with the data with the front end. And so then, the back end will run for the month of May while I write the front end. I thought he died. Okay, never mind. He's dead. So yeah, it'll run for the month of May while I do the front end, and then from June, when I decide to go live with all the data, everything will be in place. That is my game plan as of now. But I suck at writing front end stuff. Like, I'm awful when it comes to Angular and how's it? Angular and any sort of kind of design methodologies. So I'm worried that the front end might take a lot longer than I don't know. Why is it showing this? That's not bad. 7.7 stayed positive at least. What was I saying? All right, how I'm shitty at programming front ends. I gotta remember, I can't swear within the first 10 minutes. Like, I keep forgetting that stupid YouTube rule where if you swear within the first 10 minutes, you're likely gonna get demonetized. And while I don't care so much about the money, it's still kind of annoying to see that like yellow fucking $sign there. Where is this? Where is this green dot thing? Where? Why can't it just leave me alone? Ooh. Just want all these green dots to go away. I hate seeing them on my screen. So the front end stuff's probably going to be me doing a lot off screen, because if I'm going to get this done within a month, especially because I only do this on the weekends, really, I do the majority of my programming on the weekends, because in the weekdays I'm obviously working and I don't feel like programming my job programming and my project kind of hobby programming on the same day. I kind of do want to have some time to myself just to relax, so I only really do any of this sort of stuff on the weekend. Hey, fuck you guys, don't shoot me. Probably shouldn't use the SPR in this map. Probably a really bad idea. Okay, yeah, this is a really bad idea. Do the Vector, or the Fennec, whatever they want to call it. Fennec? Fennec, yeah, they call it Fennec. Jesus.
What the heck?
Why is it so slow? First, before I go out there. It's camping on the bitch on. Fucking camping on the barrel.
Right.
Hello.
Knife after like the last like 45.
Gotta sit and heal for a bit. Now I gotta sit and heal again for a bit. Two while I'm at it. Oh, really? I thought my team was over there.
Yeah.
Fucking plane. This green laser might be giving me away. I might have to switch off. That person's not happy. Fucking that. And then, oh, hopefully that was gonna work.
Dude.
I got an assist there, nice. Oh, that was an enemy. I thought that was friendly. Ah, I could have had him there, but I just missed up my aim. I need to... Where am I? I'm on a wall. God damn it. Nah, I ain't doing that. There's a lot of them out there. I just saw that. No, don't give me my gun back.
Oh, come on, game.
Alright, bro.
I'm doing. Come on. I want to keep up my streak. Oh no, I saw him behind me. I saw him behind me, but I just didn't
Easy
watch
dub.
Whoever's using the diff, you can fucking jump off a cliff, dude. Why are you fucking using the diff?
Why are you guys so mad?
Because it's
Why are
gay.
you guys so mad?
It ruins the game.
A shotgun with dragon
It's
breath
okay.
on
We won because we're calm and you're upset.
You ruined the game.
Free dub. Easy.
You ruined the game. You're bad.
Nobody asked, nobody asked, nobody asked.
Wow, those guys were not happy. We weren't even using shotguns and they were upset. Like, what do you want at that point? Like, it's fucking shipment. You're gonna get shit on if you don't, like, use really fast-paced guns. Just how it is in that mode. I really want the... What the hell is it called? The muzzle? I think it's a muzzle, yeah. No, not a muzzle. Barrel. I'm looking... Yeah, level 50. Oh, that's the max level of this gun. I have to get max level with this gun to get the barrel that I want. That's annoying. I think the laser, though, is kind of a detriment. I think people see it too much and they know exactly where I am. On shipment, I don't think it matters too much because, like, it's shipment. Nobody's really paying that much attention to lasers. They're just running around like headless chicken just trying to fucking find somebody. But I'll see. Because, like, it's there when I don't scope in, which is most of the time. And then when I scope in, it goes away, thankfully. I'm not going to walk around scoped in. It's stupid. I didn't get that one guy, and that's pretty upsetting. He got me, though. What was that? Oh, what? How did that not get? Okay, maybe... Oh, that's a fucking enemy. I thought that was friendly. Yeah. Sin made. Move out of my way. Oh, shotgun. Ah, shotgun again. I'm thinking about switch. Oh, what the fuck? Hey, I'll try this gun out. That had no ammo in it. Okay. Yeah, alright. Enough of this. They're all using shotguns. I'm gonna switch over to this. I love it. Just fucking stuns and goddamn flashes. Jesus, what is going on? I'm just spawning in and dying every 2 seconds now. And they're just really getting on my nerves now. Ah, fuck, I was reloading. I didn't need to reload there, I don't know why it was. It's really annoying when they get that close to you. You can't do much. I can't see anything. I can't fucking see anything! God damn. fucking flashed for 2 years. Oh, come on. What was that? How did he spin so fast to get me? No. I hate that guy with his stupid nunchucks. He gets around corners way too quickly and he can just get you. That guy is so good at fucking rotating too. None of my teammates are helping me on the hard point. I'm fairly certain we're gonna lose this. They're all just going for kills. Goddamn nunchucks. Damn it. I might have to switch over to something that's not shotgun too. Like I might go to the A as well at this point. Fuck me. Jesus. Where is he running with? How is his shotgun so much better than mine? What is he running? I cannot see. Oh, I'm dead. That's why. Alright. My teammates, I should say, I guess, are doing absolutely nothing for me right now. So. Probably dead again. Yeah. Got it. Alright, I'm going to go to the A as well now. Try that out. I hate this. Every couple of seconds, I'm fucking flashed. It's a goddamn nightmare. And I'm, yeah, okay, what was that? I was just, okay. What the fuck is that? Like, I shoot him so many times in his fucking legs. And he doesn't. Jesus. Spawning in to die. Oh, and he's back there. Alright, no, this isn't working either. Fuck it, I'll go to this. Oh, fuck. We're getting roasted. I'm calling in the towel now. There's no way we're coming back to this. Absolutely none. And of course I'm flashed the third time. Ooh, this map is killing. Not this map. This map is fine, I think. It's just this match is really like the shotguns and nunchucks and riot shield. It's something else. Yeah. All right. Now I'm going back to the shotgun. Riot shield. I'm gonna part of this. I'm part of the problem now. Ah, fucking Christ, of course the keys. It takes like 10 years to reload. And I'm just instantly flashed upon. Yeah, alright, cool. just spawn into being flashed. I love it. Jesus. I'm like spawning. I'm spawning in just to lose all my health instantly. This is so chaotic. This is way more chaotic than the average fucking ship match. And I'm flashed. Every fucking 5 seconds I'm flashed. Again, I'm just flashed. Fuck off with your flash grenades. Fuck off with the flashes! Please, for the love of God. Oh my God, how many flashes was that? How many fucking flashes did I have to live here? Fuck off, stop shooting my riot shield. I just fucking was flashed 3-4 times in a row there, I swear. Alright, now I gotta deal with this. Like, I'm spending my fucking life just to deal with this next one. I fucking... Please! Stop throwing flashes. Oh, it's so fucking annoying. Oh, it's so annoying. It is so annoying. Again! Am I alive? Am I dead? Who knows? Because it takes 10 years for them to dissipate. And like, no time at all to fucking pull them out. Oh, please. I'm switching to headquarters after this. I can't take any more flash grenades. Oh God, that was awful. I just can't take the flash grenades anymore. It was him. Motherfucking him throwing those flash grenades. That's annoying. Oh my God, that was awful. 40 and 70. Fuck, that was awful. Alright, I'm not playing that. After that shit, I'm not doing that again. I'm going to just headquarters. Good old headquarters where I don't get flashed every 3 seconds. While aiming. No, not aiming. Yeah, I don't want while aiming. That might be fun to play with. The ensign. But I'll leave it for now. It's not gonna go do anything because I can't get rid of those green dots for whatever reason. Why would I do that? Seems kind of unnecessary. Getting 5 long shot kills with scout combat optic, like just so I can get that pin. Like I like the SPR, but I don't like it that much. Like I don't know why I'd ever want to do that. I should probably level up the Psychop, yeah. Psychop. It's really good when you get like the full auto attachment going and like the large drum mag. It's insane what you can pull off with that. Tragedy. Nobody plays Headquarters. Really, really sad about that. No, we got some people doing it. One more person, come on. Hey, there we go. David Hasselhoff. And he's gone. Oh, there he is. Still here. David Hasselhoff. Where do I know that name? He's the actor, right? From Baywatch, I think? Is that who he is? I think that's him. I have no idea who he is aside from that. Let's go SPR, see how it goes. If I get too tilted, I'll switch over to like the Asval or the Venic.
Headquarters. Capture and defend each HQ as it comes online. First HQ identified. Move to secure.
Oh, that just surprised me, and my teammate was running beside me the entire time, just preventing me from getting in. I slid in, but I wasn't able to get the shot because I was too distracted by the person shooting me from behind. We lost the first one.
Enemy has captured the HQ.
What? Oh, David, how could you do this to me? Don't you have some beach somewhere to watch over? Fuck me, David's going on a tear. There we got both of them.
Disabling the HQ. Keep your eyes open.
One person left. He hasn't died yet, I don't think, so I think he's AFK somewhere.
HQ secure.
There he is, yeah, he's AFK.
Up in 10. Get ready.
Oh, fuck me. And there's another one. The cat daddy. That seems a little weird. Oh, I almost had him. Wonder where my shot went.
Enemy cruise missile incoming.
My team is getting roasted.
Enemy on the
Fucking
HQ.
shit.
Get over there. Enemy Wilson.
Oh!
HQ
God damn it, there's a guy behind me.
They're capturing the HQ. Go. Enemy has captured the HQ. We're defending the HQ.
2 left.
HQ protected.
Oh, I thought... God damn it.
We're
I was
disabling.
wondering where he went, so he went around the left. You can see him on the mini-map, so as long as you just stay on the other side. Like that. You can kind of just juke him a bit.
You're ready up.
My team is getting roasted. Maybe I should change things now and stop trying to do these fucking one-taps.
Get to the new HQ.
Yeah, alright, my team's getting roasted and we need to get points, so... Oh, you kidding me? Okay, that's where my team is.
HQ active. Move to secure. We're at the HQ. Stand by. Enemy cruise missile. HQ is on. No reinforcements available.
Oh, we got it. Our first and only point, probably. I'm gonna let them watch that way. I'll watch this way for them.
Allied cruise missile away.
That's probably not worth it. That fucking stimmy I just
Shut
used.
through the fucking. That's cool.
Oh, I didn't see him! I didn't see him past that body! Fuck. Alright, we got a lot of points though for that one, so that's good. That was good. Oh.
HQ
Alright.
disabled. Get ready to move out.
I think it's gonna be over here in this corner. No, I feel no, it's probably gonna be over there. I'm gonna roll the dice. Is it this one? Is it this one? Yes, it is. I rolled the dice. All right, I'll hide here. Hope my teammate can watch that way while I watch this way. No, fuck! I thought my teammate was watching behind me. Oh, come on, come on, come on, let me in. Oh, I spawned all the way over here. What is this shit, RNG? Come on. Come on, come on, come on. Oh, they're gonna get that. They're so gonna get that. Ah, come on. What is this shit RNG where it spawns me across the map? Like, what is that shit RNG? Alright, it's gonna be in the construction site. I'm calling it now. It's construction site this time. Yeah, I was right again. Oh, what was that aim? Oh my god, my fucking aim was all over the place there. I'm too on edge right now because I don't want to lose. I'm so fucking tilted right now. Oh, this is not looking good. Like, I'm not saying that I'm my team, but like, as it stands, without me, my team seems to be fucking nothing. No, behind us, please. Oh no, 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 not like this, not like this. Get him off the site, get him off the site. Yes. Yes. Get me under this, come on. No, I was aiming too far right. How far do we go with that? Half of it. That's okay. That's okay. It's still doable. We're still in it. I think it's gonna be over here on the far left.
Personal radar in the air. Almost done here. Ready up.
Enemy at the cargo containers.
I was wrong. He's back there. Come on.
Trophy system deployed. Contact.
I just hope somebody's watching behind us. Nobody's watching behind us. Okay, I'll watch behind us. Hopefully they can handle that one direction.
Enemy cruise missile incoming.
Nope, they can't, apparently. And I got fucked by a Predator wasn't paying. Oh, and of course it spawns me across the map again. What is this RNG with my spawns? And it's just like, no, you will not go near the objective. We'll keep you as far away as possible. Please tell me to watch the other way. No, he wasn't watching the other direction.
Damn, fucking takes.
Why won't he watch the other direction? My team, please. I can't see him through the stupid marker on the screen. I hate that the most about COD. The stupid marker on the screen. Like, I know it's there. You don't have to fucking be so intrusive. Oh, these are my friendlies. I thought those were enemies. I was shooting.
Okay, get ready to move.
Center maybe?
Enemy at the cargo container.
I doubt it though. I'll stay here.
UHQ established.
Okay. Oh, I got one of them, but the other guy got me. I need to get over to the far right, and I'm gonna go through their spawn to do it. Because they're spawning around here right now.
What the?
I thought I could get somebody by doing that, but no.
Enemy at the cargo container.
Oh, of course. Okay, at least my team's there now. Okay, we flipped the spawns. Good. At least that was effective through my part.
You guys are so fucking blind. Holy shit. Looking at the same place.
Oh, there. Jesus. They're gonna get this one too, aren't they? I got two of them, but fuck. My mouse slid off the pad there. That's why I missed. And that's not a lie. I don't want to shit. Oh, fuck. I don't want to hear shit from anybody about that. How have they not capped it? It's just nobody's there. Just cap the fucking thing already.
HQ secure. Okay, get ready to move.
They're spawning over here probably.
Enemy UAV over.
Fucking knew they were, and I still wasn't able to prepare. Center maybe. I don't get lights going center that often. I think it prefers the outside of the rim. Going center, yeah. Who the fuck is shooting at me?
Oh my fucking god.
Stop.
Move. We have to get to the objective. What are all of you doing? Why did I scope in twice there? And fuck, of course. None of them, like, not a single one of them is able to push up to the objective right now.
HQ is green. They're capturing the HQ.
We lost this one. We're done. There's no way we come back from this. Like, even if we get the next one, I highly doubt we'll be able to come back enough to actually win this. Nope. I didn't reload. What the fuck? Oh, how long was he waiting there for me?
UAV overhead.
What are you doing sitting there? Move, you fucking idiot. Like, I need my teammates to do something to get on this objective. I can't just be the only one fucking throwing myself at it right now.
HQ contested. Shutting down the enemy HQ.
There's no way we come back from this. They're not gonna win. But, or sorry, they're not gonna win off of that one. But there's no way. Like, we have to get the next one and the next one after that. Like, we cannot let them get a single fucking objective. There's no way we come back from this. Unless I get... Yeah, fuck, they got bennies. They're over. Yeah, fuck me. Alright, it's over. I highly doubt my team can retake. I doubt in the power of this team to retake anything. Oh, what is this? Oh, he walked into me! Oh, you fucking idiot! Thank you. Wait, am I in the wrong spot? Wait, it's in the center? Are you shitting me right now? I walked all the way over there when it was in the fucking center.
HQ is green. Get a move on. They're capturing the HQ. Go. Less than a
Ah, fucking course. We lost. Yep, that's it. GG. I hate utility nades. I hate them so much.
Took a beating today.
Fuck.
Not gonna take it lying down.
Ugh. They're the bane of my existence. Oh, god damn it. I just need them to hold the site, but they couldn't do that. Did I get anything for ASL for doing all that? No, I didn't unlock anything. Fuck me. Like, it's really, like, unless you're insane, it's really hard to pull an entire team up in COD. Like, you could, if you, in CSGO, if you were, like, just nutty, you could carry the team, no problem. But I feel like in some of these COD matches, it doesn't matter how great of a player you are. Like, if your team can't even hold the objective or do any retakes or anything properly, you're done. No matter how many kills, no matter how many plays you try to make, you're just done. There's no coming back from that. And this playlist is dead. There's nobody playing it, which is even more infuriating. I should probably go to 10v10 mosh pit. I think that's like where everybody hangs out. I don't know. There's more people. I'll wait a bit longer. See. If the lobby fills up, then I'll play. If not, then I'll drop out. Oh, there's more people. Doesn't look like it's gonna fill up. I'll give it a couple seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Alright, now we're up. That's taking too long. I'll do 10v10 mosh pit. That's usually pretty good. I've never gone the battle pass. I think it's a bit late for me to get it now. I have enough points, I think, because I've racked up like 1,000 COD points to buy it. Maybe I'll buy it for season 4. Because like it resets in 43 days. Oh, 43 days. Oh, that's a long time. Maybe it is worth it to get it this season. What is that? That's 2-3 months. No, that's a month and a half. It resets in a month and a half. Yeah.
Nuke. That's only a Black Ops, right?
Like,
I got put back in the same lobby. Alright, well, we're only looking for one more person now. I guess I'll wait. So I'm looking for one person. Hopefully they get found.
Wait, don't talk to us, bro.
They really don't want to play headquarters, but they keep getting put back into it. Okay, there we go. The lobby's filling up. I'll play.
Fuck is your name? This nigga right here.
John Wick, you can't say that.
Nigga going live.
John Wick, please. You know if he says it again. my go-to, the SPR, before I get stomped, and then I rage quit over to the ASVAL or the Venic.
First HQ identified. Move to secure.
I hate concussions and stuns so much in this game. They're way too strong.
HQ active. Move to secure. Enemy on the
Oh, not another one of these.
Oh,
Enemy UAV overhead. We're taking the HQ.
Come on, reload. Oh, I'm lagging. I can tell. I can tell right there. I was lagging. That was some. What was that?
I'm not the enemy, you bastard.
Plaza Star.
Disable
Oh.
the HQ.
Really? That was it?
Get ready to move.
I thought we had a lot more people alive. What the hell happened there?
Enemy at the office.
Move out.
Oh, he's above me. I thought he was on my same level as me. The one problem with that perk is it doesn't tell you height, so I thought he was just right in front of me, but no, he was up one floor. I want to move, but I... I do not like being here. I'm going to die. I know I'm going to die if I stay here. Just close that. But I'll try it. I'll tough it out. I'll be the team player and stay on the point. Oh, he's beside me! Oh, what? I was behind the wall there. That was pretty good. We got half the time. More than half the time. What are they doing? What are they doing? They're not gonna take it? Alright. Hey. I'll take the points. Okay.
damn, I had the RP. I didn't even use it.
He's just sliding. Did you see that? The fucking... My teammates are sliding. I am really lagging. Fuck. It's up top. What? I was behind the wall there. Am I really lagging that hard where I'm like poking on their screen but not on my screen? Jesus. No. What? What? I didn't get the second kill there? I scoped in and it didn't shoot? What was that bullshit? Ah, they got it. Oh, fuck. It pokes as soon as I go to try to peek him. And I didn't mean to do that. Right. Well, at least we shut it down quickly.
Get ready to move soon.
They're spawning over here. Fuck off.
New HQ active. Allied UAV overhead.
Fuck. I didn't see him in time. Yep. Hopefully he doesn't come chasing me. That's rough. Not as rough as being spawned on the other side of the objective. Oh my god, double teamed, one on the left and one on the right.
They're capturing the HQ. Go. HQ contested. Enemy UAV overhead. They're capturing the HQ. Go. Airstrike. Get down. HQ contested.
And they were friendly. I guess I got them off the objective.
Enemy in the yellow building.
Enemy precision airstrike. Get down.
What? Fuck me, how did I miss that? Why am I so bad at this game? Seriously, come on, that was an easy kill. He was standing still. Yeah, fucking course. He's right there.
Enemy UAV overhead. HQ contested. We're disabling the HQ. We have taken the HQ. Get ready. We move soon.
Ooh, I don't know where it's gonna be. I have a feeling it might be over here. Just go over here for now. Somewhere on this side of the map. I think. Hey, look at that.
Move out.
It's up here, nice. No, that's way too close quarters for me to try and... this might be. I can pull this. Nope, can't pull that off. Fuck, alright. That was a bad idea from my part.
HQ active. Move secure.
Oh, jeez, I am really lagging. Oh, and they're behind me too. Come on, we need to get up there.
Allied UAV overhead. HQ contested.
What?
HQ contested. We're taking the HQ.
I'm doing okay, but I can do so much better than this. I don't know why I'm whiffing so hard so many shots.
Shit.
Alright, they got that side.
Going over here.
Ah, it comes up the stairs just as I'm fucking facing two guys in front of me.
We can't send it.
Timing strike. Oh. Like, where's that Venic? The Merc grip? I'm not sure what grip that was, but I want that barrel that he has, because I think it would do a lot for my accuracy.
Reloading.
We're halfway there.
Reloading.
Grip. How is he not dead yet?
Perimeter breach. Defend the HQ.
Oh, he's just gonna run away like a bitch. Come on. At least one teammate's brave enough to fight. I guess not, never mind. He just bitched out too.
Disable the HQ. 10 seconds. Get ready to move.
Ah, I missed that shot. That was dead on my screen. Not even a hit marker.
Get to the next HQ.
Oh, look at those shadows. Beautiful shadows.
Friendly vehicle on station for overwatch.
There they go.
Enemy at the center.
See if I can get them by going behind. No, I was putting down the fucking trophy system for my team. Fuck. My god smoke, stuns, whatever you got, just throw them at me. Just me. I love them.
Oh shit.
Stop coming. Quit. Thank you. They're all dead.
HQ secure. Get ready, we move soon.
I saw another guy.
Get to the next HQ.
There's another guy back there. Oh, what the fuck? Whatever. That was good enough. 3 kills. Ah, you shitting me. Come on. Alright. Put down. Team. I'm using my gun?
HQ is green.
Ooh. Nah, of course. No, don't. No. Let me spawn in. Oh, thank God. You won't have to sit out that round.
Secured. Hold out.
I'll watch back here for next team.
1 minute remaining. Keep going. Space almost in. HQ contested.
Enemy at the center.
HQ contested. Allied overhead. Defensive.
What? How was that a miss? Come on. Let me see this. Does it show me the shot? What? That was his head. That was clearly his head on my screen. What?
To the next HQ.
Still alive? I can't tell. I'm gonna assume he's dead.
Enemy at the center.
Did I get him first? I did. Okay. Are they coming? Yes, they are.
HQ is online. Secure it. Securing
Don't
the HQ.
know where they're gonna come from, so just close that. This way, they're coming from this direction.
We've secured the HQ. Stay alive.
Enemy at the yellow building.
No! I thought they were watching behind me. I thought there was somebody out there. Fuck.
Yet. Hold for the next wave. HQ contested.
Come on, you
30
got it.
seconds. We're
Let's
out
see
of
John Wick. Let's see if he truly is embodied. He's not John Wick. I don't think that's John Wick.
10 seconds. Get ready to move.
Either that or he's really fallen off. So quiet.
Get to the next HQ.
Oh, come on. Whatever. As long as I don't die without getting a kill, it's worse. I like to keep my KD at least positive.
HQ is online.
No. I should have expected that with everything where everybody was on my team. They were all over this side of the map. Fuck me. Just doesn't stop shooting. I guess it works because he got me in the
Allied
end.
UAV overhead. Secure.
What are you doing? What are you doing? Like, seriously, what are you doing? I'm watching that, and then you decide, like, oh, hey, I'll just stand in front of you. That'll help. Like, what?
Get him out of here, coach. Look, bro, look at this shit, bro. You don't. Bro, this is second person I've seen use this bullshit, bro. That shit is ridiculous. Look, John Wick talking all that shit. Look.
Did not like John Wick. I can understand. The second movie was okay. You should watch the third, though. Third is pretty good. Alright, that's enough of this. Time to program. No more fooling around. It's already an hour into the stream, so... Ease. Did he really whisper ease to me? Okay. Okay. I don't understand why, but they decided that was necessary. Alright. Let me go ahead and transition the scene. There we go. Open up some music. I noticed yesterday that the music was too loud, so I did tone it down today. Wonder what I should do. I'll do Halo 3 ODST soundtrack again. I think that was good. I liked it. There we go. Alright. So, to explain what I've done so far, all I did was add this query hook here. This, all it does is make it so that it prints out all of the database calls so I can see what it's actually doing. So that's just the logging. I made it so that it inserts into the particular table I want, and to do that I have to do it through this really jank way of model viewer like this, and then inserting it by saying table expression. And if I were to do like a string or an array of just a regular struct, or an array of viewers like that, the defined viewer struct, it doesn't work. So what I'm hoping to do today is clean this up by either sharding this through multiple inputs, because inserting one person at a time, that's really slow and inefficient. And just to give you context, it took 3 minutes to insert all the people on one run. 3 minutes, and I'll show you actually here now. God damn it, hold on. Whatever. Nobody's gonna fucking break that. Don't care. There we go. So, as you can see here, I was able to insert the data for one viewer, or for one time. I think this was an hour or two ago that I did this. So this is an hour or two for the top 100 streamers, and it's really long. I can't scroll down to the bottom. Like if I scroll to the bottom, it just loads more data. Like it keeps doing that forever. Not forever, but a long time. And it took 3 minutes to insert all this data, which is bad, honestly. It should be faster, and it could be faster if we insert the data in a more chunked way, so we don't insert it one at a time like we're doing here. So I have two ideas. One is where we make this an array of maps, and then we try it like that. And two is an array of just a fake struct. So an array of just a struct that isn't defined in any way, so like that. And see if we can set the table expression on it, and it'll work. So I'm also inserting the, I'm also adding all the streamers and then inserting them at once here, which is really fast, really easy. So for now, let me go ahead and rename this table actually, because I want to insert it again without it overlapping with this. I'm going to call this copy, so I can insert a new table when I run this, and I won't just get rid of this table, because I want to keep this table in case something screws up. So let's see here. Oh, another thing is, yesterday I was seeing a error where it was like concurrent map rights, and this was in here. I imagine it was here. I think I know what was going on, and to do that, really simply, all I have to do is just use a different type of map. There's something called a sync map in Golang, which I'll probably implement, but I'll leave that for now. So for now, let's go ahead and try out my first idea of making this. I'll do it right here. Viewers is an array of map string interface, like that. And then each time we'll do it up here. This way we don't insert it all at once, but at least we insert more values at one time. And so then what I want to do is go viewers.append, like that. And actually, now that I think about it, let's make Golang, let's make it a little happier and tell it how many values we'll insert, so it is able to accurately allocate the memory without too much funkiness going on, too much like predictive work that it has to do. And this will make Golang happier in terms of its compiler optimizations. And let's see if this works. So I've currently got the logger off. It will print an error if something goes wrong, so I will know that. But I'm hoping that I'll never see this error, and it'll just continuously like run for a couple seconds, and then it'll insert everything. But let's give it a shot. Let's see what happens. It's compiling, right? Hopefully this just works. If this just works, I might just keep it like this. If it... Oh, no. Model nil. Yeah, that's unfortunate. It doesn't like that. Problem is I have to do that, don't I? I can't just do this, right? No, like, there's so little options it gives me in terms of inserting. Like, I have to do model, exec, query, close, begin, that's transaction, copy to, exec 1, formatter. Prepare. Yeah, like, I have to do model. And it doesn't like that, because this is like, well, I don't know what the model is. Well, you should be smarter than this, I'd hope. I don't know why I just ran that again. It's going to do absolutely nothing. Oh, here's the concurrent write thing that I was talking about. Yeah, concurrent map writes. And to fix... do I want to fix this now? So I can find the exact spot here. Wait, here? I'm a little confused why this would be. Wait, is a client not? No, there's no way a client isn't was it thread safe? There's no way that's not true. I'm not sure actually. Fatal concurrent map writes. I'm wondering where. Now I'm now I'm curious because I might have been wrong about where I thought the problem was. Like I might just add a bunch of panics everywhere just so I can understand where it's actually panicking. If it's here, or if it's actually like here where I think it might be, or here. Well, it's panicking here. This is the panic for sure. This is where it's panicking. Get chatters. So the only way to panic would be either here, or no, it's not even here because they would panic here. So, and I don't like that either. I don't want it to return. So it has to be here. This has to have been panicking. But like, why? It's just a GET request. Is a client not thread safe? Oh shit, I didn't know that. I'll have to look into that. If the client's not thread safe, that's interesting. Does each worker have to have its own client? Really? Alright, I'm getting distracted. I'll look into that later, but for now, this problem. So it's definitely not going to like this. Let me try my other idea of struct. Struct that looks like ID, string, and streamer. String, like that. And then let's go struct. And streamer. Or not string, sorry. UN64. UN64. Like that. Why doesn't it like this? Make an array of structs of this type. Let's try like this. There we go. That's what it likes to see. I love fucking Golang's autocomplete. That helps me so much. Okay. Let's see if that makes it any better. Maybe? That looked promising. That looked promising. Let me check the table. Wait, negative. Wait, negative. What is this card? What? Negative. What? What's going on here? That's not negative. There's no way it's negative. Did something happen recently? Did I screw something up that I don't even remember screwing up? Let's drop this table. It's definitely not negative. But it's inserting a negative. Why? Like it kind of compare. It's clearly not a negative. Why is this a negative all of a sudden? I'm really confused why this is a negative. Let me open up the docs for PG. Go PG, so that I can reference it. Go PG. Maybe it wants memory addresses? I don't know why that would matter. Is that better? I have to add this to up here though. Drop this again. No, it's still negative. Why is it negative? Okay, I don't want to do this, but I think I will. I'm going to enable the logging, but before I do that, oh right, I have to do this again. Go mod tidy. While it downloads that, I will reduce this to just the top 10. Stupid thing again. This is it. There we go. So this should only be the top 10 streams, and logging's enabled, so I should be able to see what it's writing here. Or not. Even doing anything? I don't know what just happened there. Inserting viewers into DB. Never calling that. Oh, I know why. There was one extra worker that never finished because they never had any jobs to call from. So it was getting blocked here. Oh god. See, look at that. It's all negatives. Why? And some of these are positives? What? Why is that? Why is there so many? So confused. It seems to work. Find an ending. Yeah, see, it's inserting into the right thing. It's just, for some reason, there's a lot of them. There are not a lot of them, but there's some negative values being inserted, which it shouldn't be. It can't be negative because it's. Is it overflowing? Oh, it might be overflowing. Oh shit! This might be an overflow. Maybe 20 wasn't enough. Like when I make the table, I say it's max size of 20. Hold on. I don't think I need this thing. Just nice. I think this might be an integer overflow is what's happening. Like, let's see. UN64 max. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. I say 20. And I said up to 20 precision. Maybe it's 21 precision. Try like that. What is this? Oh, this is the streamers, right? Oh, right. I forgot to add. It's on conflict. That's the right thing. Or no, hold on, I gotta get rid of the new table that I created, so I don't want this. It's 21 digits, so, okay, let's see. Hmm. One, two, three, four, five. As I'm doing this, let's actually, I got an idea. Max int. Oh, what was that, max? Math. Max UN64. One to the 64 minus 1. What is that? Or actually, let's just, yeah. Keep going with my idea. I got distracted. Max. Max. Let's just call it max, I guess. if chatter is greater than max, max equals chatter, and then at the end of this, I'll just print out max every time it goes through a streamer broadcaster. There. Did I get rid of the table already? No, I didn't. Okay, I can't see it through all this garbage. Damn it. Fuck. Alright, let's just disable this again. Get rid of this. Let's see. Postgres numeric. Oh, I don't have to specify the 0. Okay. That's good to know. I believe that should be fine. Okay, we use the following terms. The scale of a numeric is the count of decimal digits in the fraction part. That's not what I want. The precision of a numeric is the total count of significant digits in the whole number. That is, the number of digits to both sides. To both sides of the decimal. So, has a precision of 6 and a scale of 4. Okay, well, this doesn't matter to me. It'll only have 20 digits on the right. Let's try this again. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 20. Yeah, there's 20 digits, and I'm saying 21 digits, but for some reason it's inserting let's close all those. It's inserting negative values. I don't know why. I have this strange feeling it just might be the implementation that's going on here for this. It just may not like doing that. It could very well be that PG or GoPG just doesn't like inserting data like this, which is really unfortunate because this would have been my preferred way of doing it if it weren't for that. Like it inserts everything else properly, but I don't know why it's inserting this negative number sometime. Yeah, it's just this is not handling itself properly. And it's for sure 20 digits, so maybe I could try this. Let's try an experiment where I insert a value, a significantly large value at that. You can go away. And let's see what the output looks like. we'll keep using viewers. Don't want to lose that, so. And we'll give it to Saikuno. And then let's see. Oh, right, and I need to go. Let's see what happens when I do this, and let me turn this back on. Yep, alright, that confirms it, I guess. For some reason, it just reflects the value into something that is really not what it is. Like you can see right there, this is the value that it should be inserting, but it just wrapped that into something it wasn't. Like, that is a UN64 value, clearly. Because it's being brought in through this, UN64. But I imagine the model itself is just wrapping it or reflecting it. This insert command is probably just reflecting it into something that it's not. Which is really unfortunate because this would have been perfect because then I could have inserted it all at once, but it's looking like I'm just out of luck. I can't do it this way either, it looks like. How can I bulk insert this? Let's go ahead and uncomment this for now and get rid of all this. I'll put it back to what it was before. I believe that's the right way of doing it. Yeah, that is. There we go. Wait, actually, let me remove this and drop that. Let's turn off the logging and see how long it takes. Because it was 3 minutes with the logging, so I might have affected it. Probably did, but I'm betting. If I was a betting man, which I am, it's still gonna suck in terms of runtime. still pretty bad. It took 3 minutes last time to do this. I'm guessing it's gonna take 3 minutes or longer. Or not longer, probably maybe 2 minutes. Oh, not bad. 41 seconds actually. There's 3,000 people watching Saikuno and Rate Depicts right now, really? That's not bad actually, 41 seconds. And it could be faster if I could bulk it. Like honestly, if I could bulk it with on each broadcast. Well, I guess that's not fair actually. That's 41 seconds just for 10 streamers. I just remembered. Let me go ahead because this I'm gonna go ahead and do this again actually because yeah, this may be a lot longer, or it definitely will be a lot longer with all 100 streamers because this table that I've got going here is all 100 streamers. Here, while it does that, I'll show off something cool. Do I have it saved? No, it doesn't look good. Okay. I can, through the power of Postgres, see who is sitting in more chats, or who's sitting in the most chats, I guess would be the best way to phrase that. So we're going to take each of the individual viewers, group them together, so group all the similar viewers together, and then count how many streams they're sitting in, and then we'll output their ID and how many streams they're sitting in. And would you look at that, we have somebody sitting in 61 different streams when I took that data. There was one person sitting in 61 different streams. And that's not a joke. That is legit. There's one there's a lot of people sitting in a lot of streams. And what usually this means is that's a bot. And I haven't checked. I don't know who this is because I don't have context. It could be like kind of like a chat bot that you generally see in a lot of chats, or it could be a malicious bot or some sort of or a stat collecting bot is just sitting there trying to collect stats for a website. Because okay, so there you go, 2 minutes. It took 2 minutes to insert 100 people. And let's do the same query, but oh shit, whoops, that wasn't on my copy. That was on the live data. Let's actually run that again. There's probably an update to it. There we go. Yep. So this is the one that I just inserted, which unfortunately sorry about that. I was looking at the wrong table. I forgot to add _copy to that. But here it is. There is somebody sitting in 99 of the 100 chats. This is a bot of some sort. There's no human that would do this. Most of these are bots. Anything over I'd say 3 has to be a bot of some sort. There's no person who has 5 streams active at the same time. So up to this point, somewhere around here is where the human to bots start to fade. So the bots are the 4s and the humans are the 3s. That's what I'm saying. That's what I'm calling, because if you have 4 streams open, what the fuck is going on? How the hell do you even pay attention? If you have 3 streams open, sure, maybe you had left one open by accident, but there's no excusing above 4. 5 and up, you're just a bot. I'm sorry. 99, yeah, sure you are. Sure you're human, I bet you are. This could just be a regular chat bot then, which makes sense why I'd be seeing so many streams. But still, it's weird to see. And then if we want to do something similar, we can go streamer. Just invert all of these. And now we get the viewers. So this is how many viewers are sitting in Sykuna's chat that we could measure. And how many yada yada yada. And as you can see here, this isn't the legit amount. Oh, I spelled his name wrong, didn't I? Oh yeah, I added a U there by accident. This isn't the actual amount of people sitting in his chat. Like, he has 60,000 people, but we only collected 40,000. And the reason for this is simply because we don't, the number of viewers reported by the Twitch API isn't actually the amount of real viewers. It does not return embedded viewers, and it does not return, I believe, mobile viewers either. This is only the people on twitch.tv on the desktop. That's why there's 20,000 people who are just on his on their either watching him through some embedded form, I don't know where, or on their phone. So that's why there's a discrepancy, which is why this graph is never going to be the most accurate, but it is as close to accurate as you will be able to get unless Twitch gives us a better API. And the goal is to then compare streamers, as you can see here, by simply melding them and then sorting them. And I could do this in Postgres. I don't have to do it in Golang. I could do the same kind of like, oh, between this person and this person, how many viewers are shared? Like, I could do that. I don't really feel like figuring out the SQL query right now, so I'm not going to do that. But it is possible. Just know that. And if it comes down to it, this seems to be more efficient, I might do it in Postgres, but I'll keep it in Golang for now. But we're still got the problem where I need to insert all this data, and I don't want to insert them individually. Although it's good to insert them individually, because that way none of the other chatters will ever like conflict with another chatter's insert. So like for some reason, if the, chatter A failed to be inserted, chatter B would still be inserted because it's an individual insert statement. Whereas if I were to group all the chatters into one insert statement, one failed insert could cause the entire thing to break, the entire group of chatters not to be inserted, and then I'd have to either retry it, or I'd have to like go back and fix the data myself manually. So it's kind of a problem where this is nice because I get siloed inserts, so no two viewers will ever conflict with another insert. But it takes really long, 2 minutes, which in computer time that is long, and it's a lot of inserts. Like, I don't know if the dashboard still has it, but you can see giant spikes in I/O when it was doing it. So I'm at a crossroads where either I do it this way, or I have to like maybe write the statements myself, like write the insert statements myself, and then kind of concatenate them like I was doing before, and then insert it. Or I have to use a completely different ORM, which honestly I don't think it's gonna get much better unless I like turn to Gorm, which is a bit heavy in my mind in terms of what it is. Like Gorm would work perfectly. I think I know I have the query in my head that I could use, but it just seems excessive. So I don't know. I'm not sure what I want to do at this point for, what is this? Oh, this is the other one that I was running. I don't need that anymore. I think for now, this is the best I'm going to be able to do. And I'll keep it like this. But but like the thing is if I expand this to maybe like beyond 100 streamers, 200 streamers, let's say, this could double. This literally could double the time. Just adding an extra another 100 streamers, which I don't want to take 4 minutes for an insert. Like, come on, what is that? So I could shard the inserts instead of doing sequentially, individually. I could shard it so that I have a group of workers that inserts individually this like X amount of from 100 broadcasters, there's 10 workers like I did before, and then just shard the inserting. I could do that. That would solve my problem of it being slow. It'd also keep the pro of being all the inserts being siloed from one another, because I don't want really to conflict. But it's not really, it's not nice, because I'd rather have Postgres handle all these bulk inserts, because I think bulk inserting with Postgres is a lot more efficient than me individually inserting all of the values. It's for sure better, actually. I don't even need to guess on that. It is for sure better to have Postgres handle this. So I might do that another time. I'll keep it like this for now because we're only at 100. But if I scale this up and I notice degradation in the time, I'll probably go ahead and shard it through some memes that I can figure out. The other problem. So it looks like this is done. We're now inserting it properly. The only thing that's really missing, as you can probably tell on this one. Let's go ahead and just drop this table because I have another copy of it now. On this one, as you can see, is that description and avatar, they're not being inserted properly. So what I want to do is no longer do a string of just the streamer. And I don't even need this to be a map, because this is only used, it was doing, I made it a map so I could easily look it up and validate my, validate stuff. But I don't no longer need this to be a map, so I'm just gonna boop, 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 like that. Actually, let's just do this. Include it in this output down there. Let's make this an array, and let's go over to analyze, and let's create our new type, our kind of interface type, which will be called stream. And a stream has three things. It has the streamer and their name, whatever that may be, their description, their avatar. You can tell that I'm mimicking the model that it gets inserted, the Postgres model over here. But actually, that's a good point. Why don't I just use this and then just tack on? But then I'd have to insert into. For now, I'll keep it like this, and then their viewers, which is a UN slice. Not like that. Like that. Simple. So this is an array of streams, which there's going to be 100 of. There we go. That's a conflict of name. So I want to change this. No, I want this to be streams. Actually, I should rename this first. What do I want this to be? Let's call this. For now, let's call this T streams. And then we'll call this one streams. And so as you can see here, there's a bit of a problem with where in my main function I'm calling some things that shouldn't have knowledge of, like the Twitch and the workers. This should be moved into somewhere where it can be handled automatically for me. And if I have enough time today, I might do it. But for now, let's just go ahead and fix this up to be an array of analyze. Looks like I'm gonna have to be doing this anyways. So, stream. Streamer. There we go. Now it's no longer a map, but just a simple array. I still haven't figured out where it was panicking. It's panicking the worker. Let's append this in. Let's see. Is append assign or Golang append assign thread safe?
Looks like it's not.
Looks like maybe using copy is thread safe. This guy's recommending we have X, so we insert Y. We add all of X into Y. We append to Y. I might have to make, yeah, it looks like I'm gonna have to do this. Have to make some special function. Let's create a mutex. This is awful having a mutex up here. This really needs to be cleaned up in my mind, so I'll probably do that off stream though. I might show it later, but for now I'll just do this to kind of get it going. There we go. Now that's thread safe because we have a mutex lock up here, which will make sure that no two workers insert into the stream at the same or into the array at the same time. And we'll wait. Alright, that should be good. So that'll insert. That'll go here. That'll insert it here. I hate how it's like different sizes. Like you can see here, this one's a lot more zoomed in than these two. It's because it's like the zooming in thing only applies to one file, which is ridiculous in my mind. If you're gonna have a zoom in thing, make it so it's all of them. And I don't even know what my zoom in ratio is either. Like it doesn't tell me anything like that either. I love Golang. Don't get me wrong. I love JetBrains and Golang, but there's some things that they can improve on for sure. What was I doing? Right. Back to this. Inserting. Right. I want to also, because it returns, I get a lot of data from streamer username. Streamer. I get game ID, type, viewer count, language, tag, IDs, is mature, ID. I might have to make a second thumbnail URL. Yeah, I think I might have to make a second call to the Twitch API. Twitch API. Might have to make another call to the Twitch API to get maybe like a streamer's description and stuff like that. Get broadcaster subscriptions. Check user subscriptions. Get stream markers. What's this? No, that's not it. No. Search channels. No. Get streams. No. Get moderators. No. Get channel information? No, that's not what I want. I want like their information that's displayed. Is there no API to get this? No. Like clips. Top games, hype stream events, band use band. Events, band users, band moderator events, get streams. No, get stream markers. No. No. Get channel teams? What's this? No, that's not it. I don't want channel teams. Is there really no way just to get that specific user? Get users? Oh, this is it. This is what I want. There we go. There we go. This is it. Okay, get users. That's it. That's the endpoint that I want to do. So I have two options. Either I fetch this data out here. Well, for one, I should do this. Let's implement it. Get channel info. And this is and I need a ID string This will return me. Not capitalized, lowercase s. A user and broadcaster type, description. Display name. ID. Offline image URL. Profile image URL. Type. View count. Don't want their email, so I'm just gonna ignore that. Created ads actually not bad. I like that. View count is actually uint. Create ads is not a bad field actually to have to kind of say, hey, this is when they were first on the platform, which is actually kind of cool to see. And so what I want to do is and I'm going to return a user or an error. And what we're going to do is this is streams URL. Let's add on another one called user URL. API actually like that, and then let's do this. API URL. And then let's go this plus API URL, and then this is API URL. There we go. And then I'll actually do this. Move these out here because they're a bit different from these ones. I just can kind of keep them in the same area. And then I can go like, where am I? Wait, what? What was I doing? Oh, it's in data. That's what it was. Okay. I thought I just lost everything. Just a little confused there. ID equals user URL. ID. Do I have to specify any headers? Oh, I can specify multiple values? Oh, wow. I can do this all at once? No, I'll keep it like this for now. I might move this into an individual, one singular call, because that would probably reduce like the amount of load that I put on Twitch. Plus, it'll also won't burn up my won't burn up my requests, my quota with them. But for now, I'll keep it like this. Do I need any headers? I think I do. Yeah, it looks like I do. Guess we'll do this. JSON new decoder rest.body. Decode user this. There we go. Return user nil. Ta-da! Alright, so now we get the channel info, and I'll have it. Where am I? In the main, in the worker. After getting the chatters, I'll do user. User ID. There we go. And now I'll have all that data that I need. And let's run this again. Let's just drop this and drop that. And let's run it again. Fuck. Alright, who did it panic on? Where did I hit quota limits? Captain Puffy. Is it always Captain Puffy? 401, no, it's usually somebody else every single time. Let's see. Getting a 401 not authorized. It might be worth it just to move this out. Okay. I might have to do this outside like this. Like I'm doing up here. strings make 100 and user ID, and then twitch.get channel info, user IDs, an array of strings. Okay, so I have to do it like this. So we go strings dot join user IDs, and we add them as ID equals right? Yeah. Oh, and ID equals. Then before I do that, let me just check what the URL will look like. And so this will actually return an array or can I just do this? No, I have to do this. Did I do this wrong? There we go. Users, plural. Actually, it's gonna be data, right? How do I do this up here? Right. Okay, actually, got this all wrong. It should be var data struct users, an array of user data, like that. Data. There we go, that's the right way of doing it. Data.users. There we go, that should do it. And then, not what I meant to do. Then if we go here, that will give me all the users' data. I'm just wondering, now I gotta add this data. Either I have to pass it into streams, or I have to somehow add it on to the individual Twitch streamer. How do I want to do this? I guess for now, let's just see if it runs, because I'm running a bit over time. It's 2 hours 15 now, so I'm just gonna see if this runs. Oh, right. Right, that won't be there right now, so. Why doesn't that work? Non-OK status 401 unauthorized. Why doesn't that work? That's the right URL, isn't it? HTTPS API twitch.tv. That should be right. Let's see. Where's the problem coming from? It's giving me a 401 error. It's coming from here. Is it here? Is it failing to authenticate? No, I would say that. So it has to be in here. This is a GET request, right? GET author client ID capital wait client ID is spelled like that. Hold on. How am I doing it? Really? Okay, let's see. Client ID. No, still doesn't work. Okay. Helix users. Okay, let's see. Here. Do. Okay, I'm getting a non-HTTP response for sure. Alright, before I close it, let's see. It's an IO reader to string. Okay, easy enough. Let's take this. Let's see what it's being annoying about. Don't care. Nil. Let's see, what's it being mad about? OAuth token is missing. OAuth token is missing. What? No, it's not. Am I hallucinating something? OAuth or app access token. token is missing. Authentication. Okay, we get the access token. Why does it want my OAuth token? Like, I don't have an OAuth token because it doesn't need one. Is it broken? Is this endpoint broken? Is this what I'm getting at? Get users. I hope this isn't just broken. That would really suck. Oh. Oh, I'm so stupid. Maybe this is the problem. This might be the problem. Because it has to be bearer, right? Yeah, bearer. But it shouldn't be expired. How long does this token last? That was the reason. That was the fucking reason. What? Okay, hold on. Now I'm confused. How long do these tokens last? Should be longer than that. T dot expires at. Data expires at. I'll wait for that to complete, but I don't think there's any data there. I believe this is just empty currently. Yeah, it's just empty for now. And this is also, well, this is being inserted into as we speak. So this is being filled. This will take around 2 minutes for that to insert. So okay, so I figured out the problem. So it was literally the refresh was broken. Well, at least I caught that. There you go. That's done. Cool. That was inserted properly. But I want to see how long the token lasts, so I'm just gonna delete this stuff. Run it again just so I can see how long the token lasts. Go away. Expires at what is this? Why is it like that? Oh, because that's not set yet. Should be expires in okay 2/20/50. It expires like instantaneously, doesn't that? Cancel that because I don't care. That's how many seconds, isn't it? Oh, I think I know what's going on here. Ooh, I think I know what's going on here. Client. Number of seconds, right? This is nanoseconds, right? How many seconds to nanoseconds? What is it? How do I convert that? Fuck. 10 to the -9, that's what I want. Nanosecond count. I don't want a nanosecond, I want... This is in seconds, so I have to multiply this by 10 to the 9, so... What is that? Multiply that by... 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Is that right? What is the conversion ratio? It says E. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Yeah, it's 9. 6, 7, 8, 9. Yeah. Okay. Still inserting stuff? No, it just finished. Oh. Update and conflicts are faster. What do you know? That's 2 months. Alright, seconds to minutes. How many minutes is this? Days? 59 days? Weeks? Oh shit, that is actually that long. Okay. That's 2 months. Okay, yeah. So that's right. Alright, cool. That handles that. Fixes all that garbage that was happening. Caught that error. That was nice. What else is there? It's printing this. Where is it printing this? It's printing it from... Here. Here, it's printing it. And then get... Get... I'll get rid of all this. There we go. That finished running. Alright, now I just have to figure out how to add on this data. The where is it? This data, the channel info data, onto the streams. I could, instead of make this an array, I could make this a lookup. I could do that. It'd be nicer if it just insert this data over here, though. Inserted it into the Twitch streamers, and we added that into the jobs. When we add, so we add it into the jobs, it'll be like properly formatted. I'm not sure how I want to do this. I could just iterate. For now, I'll just make it a lookup map, I guess. But I'll probably clean this up later because there's a lot of things really messy about my implementation right now that I'm not a fan of. Oh, but then I gotta iterate through it. Like, I'm iterating it through it anyways. Fuck. Like, I'm having to iterate through it anyways, so I might as well just do this. And then just modify. Twitch stream to have a description and their avatar URL. Just do that, and then I can do this easily. Make this pointer so that I can reference it properly. And we iterate through channel info. User. Oh, but I don't know who that correlates directly to either. Fuck. Oh, this is so annoying. I want to get all this info, but how do I want to get this? How do I add all this info onto the stream in a clean way? I'm gonna have to make this a map, or I'm gonna have to iterate through it twice. So either way, I'm having to do this. Damn, okay, I guess this is how it's gonna be then. Dot ID equals user. All right, I gotta do make here. we'll pass in users. Users, which is an array, or not array, is a map of string to twitch.user. Not a fan of that, importing Twitch into this package, but I'll leave it for now. Or actually, I guess I could do this outside. Yeah, now that I think about it. I could do this outside. Now that I have the users and they're in an array, I can go for stream in range streams. Or streams, but for T streams s dot description equals actually okay users at s dot user ID. Wait, is it just ID? What's the difference? I don't know. Maybe that's the stream ID? Maybe. User ID. If it's okay, then s dot description equals user dot description avatar URL is user dot profile image URL. There we go. If this all goes well, it should insert. Or actually, hold on, I gotta drop the tables. And if all goes well, there should be description and avatar set on the insert. Oh, I didn't do it. God damn it, I forgot to do that again. Forgot to tell it to insert that data. Avatar, right? Wait, where is this getting populated? Oh, it's from the workers. Shit. Okay, hold on, I gotta add this here too. Damn. Okay, this is really, yeah, this is really poorly designed. I need to go back through all this with a fine comb and actually properly lay everything out, because I'm gonna go back, like, go through all this stuff just to set the description and avatar properly. It's really bad, and I'm doing really like one-off spaghetti code kind of things right now, and I'm not a fan of it. Okay, this should, in theory, insert the data for the streamers. Their default data, so like what they've set as their description in their avatar. And I have custom overrides in case I want to make like a funny joke about them. Because I'm going to add a bit of humor to the site. A bit of my own personality to it. Instead of just a flat stats page, there's going to be a bit of personality on it. It'll take 2 minutes. Close all this while I'm at it. Because once if I'm right and this works, I think this will be where I'll end it for the night, and probably this will be the last stream regard to the back end. Anything else I'll be just doing on my own to just clean up, because really everything's here now. Like, everything is in place, like all the core things. It's just cleaning, really. It's just a bunch of cleaning and just making it lay out in a way that isn't so like spaghetti code, basically, for lack of a better word. It's just kind of all over the place, and I'm not the biggest fan of it, how it looks right now. And that's mostly because I've been trying to program more as entertainment than as kind of like full-on programming, because I've been just trying to put out things as much as I could and just hopefully provide some explanation as to what I'm doing as I'm going through it. Okay, it's done. That was faster. 1 minute 40. Let's refresh this. There we go. How long are some of these descriptions? Oh my god. Somebody's name is annoying, that's funny. My name is Amaranth. Okay. Box. No descriptions were set on these people. But they do have avatars. So it looks like I was right. Let's just pick a random person. Where's their avatar? Yep, that's it. Cool. That looks to be about it. I think I'm done with the back end. As I said, anything left is just cleanup, really. This is the last of it. God damn, it took me a month to get to this point. And it's still not really done. There's a lot of cleanup to be done, honestly. Like, things are kind of still in this jank state where they're kind of half-assed, in my opinion. So I'll go back over this during the week and just fix as much as I can. And I might show it off on next weekend stream, if I feel like it's worth it. But if not, I'll be going into the front-end coding now, back into Angular, where I'll try to figure out how to implement a graphing library. Oh god, that'll be hell. And I also got to spin this up, the backend server up on my server, the backend code on my server, so that it can start collecting data, and I can, like, in a month's time have my first like full-on Twitch universe graph to actually show off. That would be the plan. So, oh god, it's Jesus, just thinking back on how long this is taking me. Some memories and stuff like that. But all right, enough nostalgia kick out of just a month. Thanks for tuning in. If you're watching the VOD, sorry if I went silent or was not as clear about certain things related to Postgres. If you do have questions related to Postgres, leave a comment. I can respond to the best of my knowledge. But thanks for checking in, and see you guys next time.